Hey everybody, so today we filmed a makeup look on my sister. I did her makeup. As you can see, it's amazing.
What?
Let's get started! So first we're going to start by color correcting her face. I'm using my finger. It's not wet.
Oh my god, did you wash? That's...
Stop looking like an idiot.
Because you're really close.
I'm not gonna poke you in the eye. What are you doing?
I don't like it.
You signed up for it.
I know, I don't like getting my makeup done.
You never have makeup. Look up. Tiff. I'm not.
It tickles. Okay, let's
She
go.
has serious tickle problems.
Oh my gosh, what happens when you have to do concealer?
Exactly.
Are you doing concealer?
Yeah, that's good enough.
Hi,
Okay.
sisters.
Now we're going to do foundation. This is not going to match her because she's much darker than me, as you can see. But, that's okay. Shit, this is white compared to your skin.
Rachel!
You know what I mean? That's what you get for being Filipino. Close your lips like... Oh, damn. We'll make it work. Tiff! Are you that ticklish? What the heck? Ew!
I'm sorry. I'm gonna pee myself. Don't.
You're so white.
Rachel! This is like dad.
No.
Looks like I have a beard.
That's like me.
This is boring. Let's talk.
About
I'm gonna
what?
look up some sibling questions. 55 questions all siblings should be able to answer about each other. We're gonna fail. I bet you will get about 10. I blend into the wall, Rachel.
Now you match my skin. Not even you.
Sisters.
Oh, gross. It's gross. Don't say that.
Okay, the first question I have no idea. What? No, I'm gonna skip it. Look at it up here.
I know.
Oh my god. What?
It's a BB cream.
What do we have most in common? I'm just like a knockoff version of you. But the better version.
Your hair is stuck in it.
Rachel!
It's okay. You can peel it out later.
What is something we're really bad at?
I don't know.
What is something I'm bad at and I have to say something you're bad at?
I mean, there's a lot of things, but I can't think of them right now.
I can't either.
See?
You're bad at...
Oh, now you can think of it. Do you like my techniques? I'm like holding the brush like this.
My skin is gonna be wrecked.
Can't wrecked.
Ooh, what's something you can do that I can't? Something I can do that you can't? That's all I can do.
Now go the other way.
I can't.
Oh, you can do it.
I can't tell if I'm doing it. I want to be able to do the clover. Why was that the first thing you thought of?
Because not a lot of people can do it. Okay.
Something I can do that you can't.
Can I do concealer? Look up. Gotta grip her head so she doesn't move. What's wrong with you?
Oh, I hate that. I hate
Look
that.
up.
I'm crying. Can you see the tears? Rachel,
Good. Look
you don't
up.
even tell me to close my eyes before you start doing like a second. Oh my gosh, okay.
Look up. Are you looking up?
I don't know anymore. Damn boy, looking like a ghost.
Actually, I think you've gone better.
Why do I look like I'm having an allergic reaction? I look like Benedict Cumberbatch. I can still puff You gotta tell me to close my eyes, bro. You're gonna freaking kill me.
There's a part where I didn't blend. It's like just brown.
What is our funniest memory?
Close your mouth. I don't know. What kind of question is that?
I think mine was, I'm spitting, was when you were running down the hall. I can't. That was, what am I doing?
My brushes and everything is just covered in spit now.
I'm producing a lot of saliva right now.
You're like Bob. Stop!
Whoa. Right.
What do you mean, whoa?
Yeah, that was...
Look up!
Just... My eyes are closed. What the heck?
Okay.
What's your funniest memory of me?
I don't know.
I'm hilarious.
Yeah, I'm gonna do bronzer because she needs a little bit of that. Face that way.
Where?
That way. Oh yeah, it's going on.
Necessary?
Nope.
Oh, let's do some who most likely to.
This shit's pigmented. Face that way.
Is that what you just did?
Yeah, just like a thick line.
Who's most likely to forget birthdays or anniversaries? Where
Not
am I
me.
going? Is it me?
It's definitely not me. If anything,
But I
it's
don't-
you.
Dad.
Face that way. Oh, are we including our family members too?
No, but he's the most likely to.
So now I'm gonna do her eyebrows. Face me a bit.
I don't know how to make a normal face anymore.
You're like going like this. Like stop.
Okay.
Stop moving your eyebrow. What's wrong with you?
I don't know.
Tiff, you're driving me nuts. Do you have to look at the freaking camera like that every single time? Go look. Be straight. Be straight.
I'm so funny.
Tiff.
You know what I just thought of? Christian in the class photo at the grad dinner where he's go.
Now look at me. What the hell is that?
Wow, I look like who has
Tiff, stop moving.
Rachel, I just had a shower.
So how's school, Tiffany?
It's
okay. Answer for
I had
all
a-
the viewers that
I
care.
had a dream that
Okay.
Christian. I had a dream that I failed. I don't know what I failed.
You know what Emily said to me today at the gym? She's like, have you ever taken Pepper to Pacific Spirit Park? I'm like, no, I haven't. And she's like, well, you should take her there. At Emily, what the
What?
And I just looked at her and I was like, she's dead. Her mom did the same thing like a couple weeks ago and Emily's like, she's dead, Mom. And then she just does the same thing like a couple weeks later. What? Look at yourself. On to eyeshadow.
Looking like a bowl of spaghetti.
What's your favorite subject in school, Tiffany?
Math.
Who paid you to say that?
I like math because I'm good at it.
What's your least favorite subject in school?
French.
Why
And
is that?
socials. I hate socials. Do you know in grade 5 I got 10 out of 30 on my socials test? And ever since that I couldn't stand it anymore. And like, you know how in elementary school you have to get your test signed by your parents. For some reason, she didn't ask us to, and I was like, yes. But then I got a C+ in socials that year, and Dad flipped shit. I thought I did well on that test too. I'm pretty sure it's multiple choice.
Who's your favorite singer?
Let's skip that question.
Is it not Ariana Grande?
Well, I like her, but I like Bruno Mars. I like Adele. I like, yeah. What else do I like?
That was 2 more people to... Ooh, don't we look good together?
Tiff, stop slapping your thighs. Dad's trying to sleep. Ow! Do you think when
What?
what the heck? You just went down my face.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
How much spit do you have in your mouth?
A lot. I happen to produce a lot of saliva, Lynn.
Keep doing that. Why are you going down?
Because I just wanted to poke me. I don't know. Oh my gosh.
What is your favorite sport, Tiffany?
You know that girl in the Hunger Games when she like comes onto the elevator, and I'm pretty sure she's like naked or topless, and like she's like that crazy eye makeup. That's what I feel like. You have to post a picture.
I thought you were saying what your favorite sport was.
I got distracted. But my
send me that.
favorite photo is, sport. To watch or to play? I like playing, well, I like soccer. I like playing soccer, but I hate soccer. Take that out. No, I like playing soccer with my friends.
I'm just gonna leave that whole thing. Okay, now I'm gonna do the eyeliner, which I know is gonna be extremely difficult because this girl cannot sit still for more than like 0.5 seconds.
Are you ready, kids?
You can't move.
Did you see that? That was like 5 seconds.
Open your eyes slightly, halfway.
Wait. I'm sorry, I need to think about it. Girl. You're thicker than a bowl of oatmeal.
Now you're gonna curl your eyelashes.
I don't understand.
Curl your eyelashes.
Just gonna take matters into my own hands.
Holy shit, you don't know what you're doing. Do you know what you're doing?
Oh my god. I need blank. Oh no, I hate.
Stop!
Rachel, you're going to so reckless. I don't like it.
Stop!
Wait. My eyes are like permanently. It's like the bird noise.
Look up. Up.
Down.
Look up.
Rachel, you're not even trying to not get it in my eye. Oh, that was all you.
You can't move.
I'm not.
Look up. Look up. You literally look like you're getting possessed. Let me.
So hard.
Oh, why?
Because.
Don't move. Spider in your eye. Don't move. You're so frustrated.
You know, like when people like put like the dots under their eyes. That's a look.
Now I'm gonna do your lipstick. Open slightly. More.
Just make Amanda sings. What's on my eye? What's on my...
Nothing.
What's on my eye?
I'm gonna go get highlight.
Oh, highlight be poppin'. Oh, honey. She's a mess. I feel like I'm eating lip gloss.
Probably are.
My face.
Okay, now you really cannot move. Look at me. Look at me.
Wait. Oh.
Oh shit.
You're not even trying. Rachel. I am white. I don't have lips.
Stop. Moving.
Oh my god. She's a mess. She's a wreck. Hi guys.
You look like you have this piercing a year.
So my Instagram is Tiffany_Durham if you want to slide into the DMs to just get. Guys, I got lip injections.
Okay. Okay, don't move. Just go. Present.
When I smile, my mouth is so big.
So this is the final look. She has a little bit of an overdrawn lip here in purple, and there's mascara all over her eyelid, but that's okay. Do you think she looks like me? Comment, rate, subscribe, follow her on Instagram. Thanks for watching.